Okay, here's how how to get your group started. I'm gonna find the Zoom app. Looks like a little video camera like that. I'm doing this on my iPad. Your iPhone should look the same. You get this kind of home page. You see the home right here. New meeting. Press that. Your personal ID. That's another way to connect. But let's just start a meeting. So now I'm just starting a meeting by myself. Nobody else is here. I'm gonna call using internet audio. You're on Wi-Fi. Okay, now I'm just going to start inviting people. So go to participants, and on the bottom there, I'm going to invite, and you can do it by email, by message. You can open your contacts, probably by message or email is the easiest. URL, meaning that you can just put that link into a message as well for people to click on. So you're going to send a message, and I'm going to invite my life group. So I have a group chat or text with Les, Chris, and Jack. And I'll just click that and it will open a link and it'll send them to join my meeting. Okay, and then people will just start to pop up and you're in. Next thing you want to do, if you're going to watch a video, it could be anything. Basically, you're going to share your screen. So once you click, every time you click your screen, the options come up. So I'm going to go to share content, click my screen, share content. I'm going to share my screen. And then sometimes there's more than one option, but mine is says Zoom. Start broadcast 3, 2, 1. Okay, now everybody will see this screen. You can still hear each other talk, but this is what everyone is going to see. Press my home button. I'm going to open now. Go back here, open Right Now Media. This is Matt Chandler's To Live is Christ. I'm going to push trailer. And this is, again, what everybody sees. So everyone can still hear you talk. You can comment if you want. There's also a mute function, which we will go over later. But this is how we watch a video together. And you should be good to go. Once it's done, everyone is still seeing the screen. You go back to Zoom. We'll stop the broadcast. Okay, and then click on the window. And now we're back in the meeting. And then you guys can discuss and pray. All right, hope you guys find this easy and enjoy.